Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. And do you remember this?
Somebody get $300,000. Anybody get $300,000 out of it. Anybody get three. Anybody get $250. At $200,000, got $100,000. 150. Put them at 50 bid too. I have 150 bid. Anybody get 175. 75. Money. 175. 175. $200,000 now. You're gonna get 200. I have 175. 225. 225. 50. 50. 75. 275. 250. 75. At 275, and you're out 3. At 275. 85. 3. At 285, 3. I have to 300 down, 25. 310, 20. 320, 30. At 330, resolve. At 330. At 340, 50. At 350. At 350,000. Anybody get 350. At 360, 75. 375. Anybody get 75, 85. At 385. Anybody get 85. 385 now, 95, 4. 400,000. Anybody get 400? At 400,000. Anybody get 400? At 400,000. At 400,000. Anybody else? 400. 425. 400 is the bid. 425. 400. 425. 400 bid. Anybody get 425? So, $400,000. Ryan, Laura, boom!
Was that cool or what? But I got something to tell you. Here is another 1963 Z06 Red black interior that we are fixing to get built. We got some frame work to do, we got body work to do, we got motor, engine, tranny, everything to do. This is going to be another one of them spectacular, fantastic, get down James Brown restorations. They only built 199 of these cars. It's going to be very special for us to do it again. So I just got in the car and I realized the steering wheel's missing. Holy cow! I mean, this car was built back in February 23rd of 1963. Very cool. But you know its completion date? February 23rd of 2024. So, all that being said, we've got the original steering wheel for it. We're going to use all the original interior. The carpeting is perfect. The door panels, look at the armrest. Everything is in fantastic shape that we're going to reuse. Radio, I mean, just everything, folks. So as you watch us, you know, share it, like it, you know, come back and see us. And you'll see the progress of this car. And it's going to be fantastic. You got something like this? If you need something like this, if you want something like this, you know where to come. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.